Hey everybody, welcome back to Little House on Hodge. We are making a big breakfast on this day because it is the first day of the snowstorm and we were about to go out and do some farm chores.
After the snow kind of slowed down, it got up, it looks like.
Yeah, I was worried about Little Blue. I said I was kind of worried about Little Blue. He's so dang tiny. I know he has his mama, but I'm still worried.
He's been laying like inside of his mom's legs and belly. She's been keeping warm.
Good.
Here in a little bit.
She's a good mama, so I'm not worried about that.
Here in a little bit, I'm gonna go set a bale out on the side of that hay ring.
How many pancakes do you want, Gems? Gemma, how many pancakes do you want? Oh my goodness! Hi, babies! Checking on the babies. Hi, babies. Gotta get you some food. I'll get you some food in just a second. I'm coming in there. I'm coming in there. Just give me a minute. I know. You're so cute.
Thanks for watching. Bye.